What's going on, guys? This is Lior and welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of a renovation of an apartment that I'm doing right now. It's actually an apartment in the very first building I ever purchased back in 2016. So I just had tenants leave this apartment, and I'll say that the process of moving out did not go super well. They were not very good tenants. They left the place in complete disarray. And you'll see that as I walk through the apartment in a couple of in just a little bit. So I'll give you guys a quick tour of what's going on. But basically, I have to redo quite a bit in the apartment. The job scope is going to be about a $38,000 job. I've already hired a general contractor. We're going to be doing a new kitchen, bath, floors, updating the electrical, doing some painting, some plastering, window replacements. So it's going to be a pretty intensive job of kind of renovating a lot in the apartment and getting it ready for rent once again. So I'm gonna head over into the apartment right now. I just pulled up. It's a warm day. I got love my red Starbucks drink. Let's go into the apartment and check it out. All right, so I am walking into the apartment right now. And as I said, this is a much bigger job than a typical apartment turnover. You can see that, the unit was not left in good condition. They actually already had a trash cleanup. They completely left everything in here. But I'm gonna be doing a lot, right? I got a lot of these old wooden framed windows I'm gonna be just replacing, putting in vinyls. The floors I'm gonna be restaining throughout. In my hallway, as you can see right here, boop. I'm gonna put some nice, some sort of laminate floors, make it nicer. Paint all the walls, of course. In the kitchens, I already demoed all the cabinets. So I'm gonna be ordering brand new cabinets. We'll get in new appliance packages, new countertops. We'll do nice quartz countertop. So we'll make the unit look really, really nice again. Same thing with the bathroom. As I'm walking into the bathroom, ripped out the vanities. I'm just gonna put new vanities, clean up around the tub, reglaze. So you can see it's quite a bit of an intensive cosmetic job. Not super high on the mechanicals, but still enough to run me about $38,000, which again is pretty high for an apartment turnover. Now, one of the good things though, even though this is gonna cost me quite a bit of money to renovate, it will help increase the value of the property quite a bit. I mean, these tenants have lived in here for 5-6 years. Obviously, a lot of the finishes were pretty dated. So once I finish the job, I will actually have gained quite a bit of equity in the property. And I will actually be talking to a couple of lenders, seeing if I can do some sort of cash out refinance, to kind of tap into the equity I've created by doing this additional almost $40,000 renovation, right? That'll kind of help me offset some cash because obviously right now I'm financing everything through cash without any sort of construction loan. So I'll try to make the best of a kind of crappy situation, but these are some of the things you're just gonna deal with as a landlord, right? Sometimes tenants, when they move out, they're gonna treat your place like trash. Yes, I kept their security deposit, but I can tell you that security deposit is very negligible compared to the total damages they've done. So, it's part of the game, unfortunately, it happens. That's why obviously as a landlord and a property owner, crucial to always have cash on hand, right? You never know what's gonna happen. But this is just one of those times that you kind of gotta suck it up and take the hit and do your best. So hopefully that makes sense. I'll keep you guys posted on this reno. I think it's probably gonna take about 30 days or so. I'll do a final walkthrough once I finish so you can kind of tell the difference between now versus the final product. But of course, if you guys have any questions in the meantime, make sure you just put them in the comments below.